Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro multifunction screwdriver tutorial. The Makera multifunction screwdriver integrates hex bits, saw blades, files, and other accessories all in one tool. It's a practical tool for creation and post-processing operations. With the saw blade attachment, you can cut off excess material or tabs. The file attachment can be used to smooth the workpiece surface. The collet nut features a slotted design for quick accessory changes without full removal. Remove the rear nut to remove the accessories stored within the tool handle. Align and insert the hex screwdriver into the wide slot of the collet, then tighten the nut to secure it. To install the file, loosen the collet nut, then insert the file, and then retighten the nut. Note, the collet slot widths differ for the saw blade and hex screwdriver. The saw blade uses the narrow slot. Align the saw blade with the slot on the collet nut for easy installation before tightening. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.